we're gonna do a presentation on organizational behavior. I'm Bani, that's Mark, and this is Crissandra. And this is our content. We will do a small introduction of our project. We'll do some SWOT analysis and what the most effective management skills are, the roles and responsibilities of a manager and a leader, and the motivating of staffs, and the interrelationships amongst product, services, knowledges, and customer care, and also the comparison between leader and manager. For our introduction, we will elaborate the SWOT analysis of being a prospective manager based on our point of view of our personal strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And then we will then elaborate what we think is the most effective management skills for a prospective manager. And then after that, we will talk about the roles and responsibilities of the manager and the leader. And then we'll talk about the interrelationships amongst the product, service knowledge, and customer care. And then we will do a comparison of leader and manager. And then the conclusion. For the SWOT analysis of being a prospective manager, what we think of our strength is how we treat everybody equally within the company, despite their position or their wages or their race or religion and gender. And also, one of the strengths is motivating the employees by effective communication skills is listening clearly and talking concisely. And then being a manager is being trustworthy and being able to trust the employees as well in doing their tasks properly. And we should be a good goal setter, and we should also be organized. For the weakness of being a manager is that sometimes we cannot say no to our staff's duties, so we feel like we're obligated to do their duties as well when they don't do it. And then one of our other weaknesses is that we have inefficient management skills because we have not managed our own staff before. And then we also have a lack of esteem because sometimes we don't have pride in our work, we don't have self-confidence in what we do sometimes. And one more thing is that we're never on time for work or whenever we meet deadlines. The opportunities when becoming a prospective manager are having work experiences in the restaurant, hotel, or business, and then we are able to have assistants that can carry out parts of duties for us to help with the operations of the restaurant or hotel. And we are able to hire, train, and fire staff depending on the company's business, if it's going up or going down. And we can come up with working schedules that is convenient for everybody and set up rules and regulations besides the hotel or restaurant's rules and regulations. The threats of being a prospective manager is that we have other competitors that will compete with us for the position. And sometimes companies require a manager with a certain high degree of major in education, and competitors sometimes know someone within the company that can get them to get the position easily. And what we think the most effective management skills is that human skills, because when we put the quality of the employees together with the development through the training, it will profit the company and increase the production. We can understand and motivate other team members. We can increase productivity and efficiency, and it can also decrease employee turnovers and supervision.
Roles and responsibilities of a manager. There are different ways to motivate employees. Give them the best of best training. Be a role model to them. Once they are doing a great job, praise them and give them a pay. Make sure the working conditions are suitable for the employees. Always make sure to hear out to your employees and making the atmosphere lively at work. Motivating the staff, external rewards like salary, good pay, maybe a promotion, working conditions, clean and safe working environment, benefits, being ahead of a certain assignment project, environment. Internal rewards, achievements, showcase performance, responsibilities, volunteer programs, responsibility towards the society, recognized, service quality awards for best trained efforts. Management, they take low-risk decisions. Think of him or herself. Procedure is a king for them. Always in command. And for leadership, always taking a risk, which is high. Always thinking of others, making decisions without hesitation. Thinking of ideas on making the team stronger.
Roles and responsibilities of the leader, they are the communicator. They will have to reach out to all staff, customers, and stakeholders. And they are the thinker. They have to think of all strategies for their company. And they are the decision maker because they have to make decisions quickly and efficient. And also the team builder and image builder because they have to set an image for them to be respected by the whole world, not just by their employees. And the responsibilities are to set and achieve business goals, innovate and market, solve problems and make decisions, set priorities on key tasks, be a role model, and perform and get results. Perform and get results means it depends on how the employees are working and also how the leaders are working. And as for motivating, they have to schedule communication-oriented meetings, like having a once-a-week meeting, just to have a little chit-chat, communicate with the staff, and ask employees for questions, which is also related to the scheduled communication meetings. Show interest and concerns, if ever your employees are having any problems, you have to show concerns as a leader. And to add to that, they also have to offer solutions to the issues that frustrate the employees and keep all communications positive. They shouldn't block themselves from the employees. And as for the interrelationships among product, service, knowledge, and customer care for product, as a leader, we have to present our benefits accurately because customers respond to enthusiastic sales staff who are passionate about our products and eager to share the benefits. And for service knowledge, it is to survive the competitive industry because we know that in this world, there are so many competitors, not just in our own country, but around the world. And as for customer care, high customer care is important in maintaining a loyal customer base. So we also have to think about our customer and the consumer. And the difference between leadership and management, as for a manager, they maintain, and the leader develops. The manager asks how and when, and the leader asks what and why. The manager goes for a short-range view, while the leader goes for a long-range perspective, and the manager imitates, the leader originates, the manager accepts status quo, and the leader challenges status quo. And the last one is a manager focuses on system and structure, while leader focuses on people.
For conclusion, to conclude, we think that leadership has a better chance to lead and guide the others to a better path. They have a better lead in making the business in a smooth way, while the manager just orders. Leadership, it brings in more maturity.
That's all. Thank you.